Unveiling the Optic Fiber Terminal distribution box, a key to efficient fiber optic networks. In the era of high-speed data transmission, the Optic Fiber Terminal distribution box is a crucial component. This box acts as a central hub for organizing, connecting, and protecting fiber optic cables. Key features and functions organization. It neatly arranges fiber optic cables, preventing tangling and facilitating easy management. Connection enables seamless splicing and termination of fibers, ensuring stable signal transmission. Protection with a robust design. It safeguards fibers from environmental factors like dust, moisture, and physical damage. Installation is straightforward. First, choose a suitable location with easy access. Then, mount the box securely. Next, route the fiber optic cables into the box. Connect them as per the instructions, and neatly arrange them inside. Our Optic Fiber Terminal distribution box stands out for its high-quality materials, user-friendly design, and excellent performance. It is the ideal choice for both residential and commercial fiber optic network setups, ensuring reliable and efficient data communication.